In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a Klaviyo email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to drop a video preview into your email, customize how it looks, and confirm everything works before you hit send. First, open the email editor. From your Klaviyo dashboard, head to either campaigns or flows depending on where you're building this message. Open an existing email or create a new one, and then click Edit to enter the email builder. If you're starting from a template, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure you're in the design view so you can add content blocks. Next, we'll place the video element. In the editor sidebar, look for the video block. Click and drag it into your email layout and drop it exactly where you want the preview to appear. You can position it between text blocks or beneath a headline. Think about where it will get the most attention without interrupting your message. Now add your video link. Paste the URL to your video. This could be from YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported host. As soon as you paste the link, Klaviyo automatically generates a clickable preview. Most inboxes don't actually play videos inside emails, so what Klaviyo creates is a thumbnail image with a play button that links out to your video's page. That's expected, and it's the most reliable way to get viewers to watch without breaking in different email clients. Let's customize the thumbnail so it feels on brand and compelling. You can replace the auto-generated preview with your own image if you prefer, especially if you have a clearer frame or a designed cover. Choose a play button style that stands out but still matches your brand colors. Then adjust the size and alignment. Centered is a safe bet for most layouts, but you can scale it up or down so it balances with your text and buttons. Aim for a crisp, high contrast image so the play button is obvious at a glance. When you're happy with the look, it's time to save and preview. Click preview and test to see how everything renders. Then send a test email to your inbox. Open it on desktop and on your phone. Tap the thumbnail and make sure it takes you to the correct video page and loads quickly. If anything looks off, like the image cropping or alignment, head back to the editor and tweak it. And that's it. Your video is now added to your email in Klaviyo. Save your changes, schedule or trigger the send, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.